Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about divide DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. This is divide DAX function syntax. This is divide function name. Add numerator and next add denominator and next add alternate result. Okay, let's check this DAX function. This here. Now I am click new measure and type. Now I am typing divide. Read this divide. Okay, once you read this, save divide function with ability to handle divided by 0 case. Okay, see this here. Now I am press enter. See this here in this place showing numerator comma denominator comma alternate result. Okay, now my numerator 25 comma and denominator 5 comma alternate result 1. Okay, now I am closing this parenthesis. Okay, see this here. This is syntax. Numerator is 25, denominator is 5 and alternate value is 5. So now let's check this function. Now I am select a new code and select measure. See this here, it's automatically showing 5. Same way I will apply 50. Okay, see this here, my 10. Okay, same way my numerator also 10. So now I am changing my numerator 100. See this here, now it's automatically showing 20. Okay, this is divide DAX function in Power BI desktop.